Okay, so let's go to inventory. We'll look at how to create a product, how to transfer, and how to edit. So we'll go to inventory. So anything that you want to do concerning product, you will go to inventory. So you click on inventory. Let's say I want to register a new product that is not on this system. So I will come to products, click on product, then click on create. Alright, so here you will select the product type. So in your own case, I think it's general. So this, even though I'm using a demo account, so you just select the product type. This is like grouping of the product. So you give the product a name. Let's say this is let's say the name of this product is high brake. Okay, then you also include the model number, if any. You put in the model number. Then you select the unit, whether you sell in pieces or you sell in bag, or just select how in unit, just in pieces. So this is the cost price. You enter the unit cost price. This is 1,000 and I'm selling maybe 1,100. So you select the unit, the cost price, and the selling price. You can ignore every other field. Most of these fields here are optional. The important one is the type, the product name, the unit, the cost price, and if you don't know the cost price, you can leave it. Then enter the selling price, how much you want to sell it. You can also, this is for accounting purposes, like you can also ignore this one. This one will come on a separate video. So once you have done that, you come and submit. So this is how to create a product. Now, if I want to see the product I've created, I will go to either all product or product list. So you could see, let me search for, so you could see the brake. Look at the brake I just created. That's this one. This is, if I click here, I'll be able to preview the products. And also, all product will tell you the total stock value you have, the ones that are out of stock and the ones that are low in stock. So we have, if you want to see your stock balance, just click on this stock balance. So stock balance will show all the product that you have and how many you have in each warehouse. Like for instance, I have production. This is just a demo account. I have different warehouse and it's telling me each quantity I have on these respective warehouses. So if you want to check your balance, go to stock balance. It will tell you your stock balances, okay, of every product that you have. So now let's say our supplier, we bought maybe 10 pieces of this high brake from our supplier and I want to record it. So you will go to stock purchase. You click on create. So here you will select which warehouse you want to put in this product. Let's say I want to put it in the store or you want to put it in the warehouse, you select. So I will select store. And let me search for, you will now search for that high breaker. Look at it here. You select it. So you will tell the system how many quantity do you want to add. So whatever you type here will be added to what is left in the system. So once you type 10 here, 10 will be added to this high brake in store warehouse. Okay, let me add. So I will submit. So once you submit, it will take you to view under stock purchase. Remember where we went to is stock purchase. So if I go to product list and I search for high brake, You see the high break is now 10. Let me preview it. You will see that in the store warehouse, I have 10 pieces. Look at the 10 pieces here. If I also purchase another one, let me say I purchase, let me go back to stock purchase. I'll go to crate. Let me go to crate under stock, which is what I did earlier. So let me put another 5. I will select warehouse 2. So this case, I want to put 5. So 5 will be added to what we had before. I will submit. So if I go to product list, that's I want to check my quantity. Or I go to, let me just go straight to stock balance. Look at high break. I have 10 in the store. Then in the warehouse 2, I have 5 pieces. And total of what I have is 15 pieces, you could see. So this is how you register a new product, and also how you receive product from you. Maybe you buy from your supplier or you receive from your supplier. Now, let's say I made a mistake. My product is and I want to correct it. Either what I have is over, or I mistakenly post over, or maybe I have less and I want to correct it. I will go to stock purchase. That is this one. Stock adjustment. Stock adjustment. Stock purchase is to add a product. Stock adjustment is for correction. So under stock adjustment, I will click on create. So here you will select the warehouse. Let's say I will select store warehouse. I will select store. Now let me also use the same product again. Just select it. So I have currently 10 pieces left in the store, but it's not 10 that I have. What I have is 9. So or rather, let me say what I have here is, what I'm supposed to have is 8, but I have 10. So I want to remove 2. So here you will type in 2, telling the system what that you want to remove 2, but you need to select subtraction. Under type, you will select subtraction. So whatever that is here will be removed from here. Okay, so whatever that is here will be removed from here. Let me start all over again, just in case. So I go to stock adjustment. I click on create. Okay, so here you select your warehouse you want to correct. Then you now select the products, and I want to remove 2. So I will select subtraction. Now, if I submit, you will see that 2. Let me go to my stock balance. You see that we now have 8 in the store, and in the warehouse we have 5. Total of 13 products. That's what we have currently. So this is how to correct, adjust, make an adjustment. Now, if you have another location that is not registered on the system and you want to remove it, what you will do is this. You will go to issue. That is this one. Just click on issue. You click on create. Issue means you are giving out a product you are removing, or you are giving out. So you will say issue to. In this case, you will select that location that I'm sending it to. Okay. In your own case, is the location that you are sending to that you. Now, where do you want to remove it from? Do you want to remove it from the store or the warehouse? So let's say I want to remove from the warehouse. Okay, or anywhere. Just select the where you are removing from. Then you now type in the product. I have 5 in the warehouse remaining. So I want to remove 3 pieces. So if I submit now, 3 will be removed from the system. So I will click on submit. So let's also go to stock balance. So you see now that I have 2 left. Okay, and these 10 pieces. So this is how to remove. If you want to remove, you use issue. If maybe the company use some part or some item for maybe for company purposes, you can use used resources, okay? But issue means to issue out, to give out. Stock purchase is for supplier, the one you bought from your supplier, and stock adjustment is for correction. All right. We also have location transfer. That means I'm transferring from this my location to another location. So let me click on it. I will click on create. I will select store, location. Where am I transferring to here? So one thing is this: if this product you don't have it in the other location, you cannot, if you have not registered this product in another location, you cannot transfer this product. So there is, the first thing I need to do is this, because I don't have it in this book company. I will come here. I will click on okay, I will do a part 2 video on how to transfer. So let's ignore this transfer yet, because there are things we need to do before we can transfer. So I will do it in another separate video. So now we have learned how to issue out a product, how to adjust a product, how to purchase, that's restock your product, and how to register a product. Now, if I now want to see what I've been doing, maybe the history of this high break, I will now click on this icon here. Then I will now go to products and search for high break. You could see the cost. Look at how many I have. 2 left in the warehouse, 2 and 8 in the store. Now, as of today, 15 came in and 5 have left. We did adjustment out 2 pieces. We did issue 3 pieces. We have not sold any. So you see the history. We had 0. We purchased 10. We purchased another 5. Then we now have we now did adjustment out, and we also do issue out. These are different warehouse. So this will tell you the history of your products, okay? And you know, this is by warehouse, okay? This is by warehouse. The one we purchased in another one in another warehouse. We also did adjustment in one of the warehouse. Then in this another warehouse also, we also do we also issue out 3 pieces. We have opening stock 5. We issue out 3, then remaining 2 pieces. So that is stock history, okay? You just search for any product you want. This one we have not done anything on it. So this is how to make use of the inventory side. There will be a part 2 video on this inventory side.